As soon as you upload your video in InShot Video Editor, it will look something like this. And over here in this bar, these are the tools to work with your video. In my opinion, InShot has all the tools that a basic video editor needs. The first option you should use in the InShot is Canvas. You can access this option from here. Click Canvas. The default option for Canvas is no frame. You can change the canvas for your video according to your need. For example, if you're making a video for TikTok, you can just click 9 by 16. It will load your video in that frame. Now if you're going to make Instagram story, so just click this one. It will load in that way. And there is a slide. You can move it up and down to fix your video according to your wish. And just click no frame and click OK. The second option which we need is the music. In most of our videos, we need to add a music. So click music. There are three sort of options in the music. You can put effects in your music, you can record your voice, and you can load tracks from your cell phone. You should just click tracks. It will load the tracks. These are some of the tracks. These are some of the sound which they provide. In my case, as I am a pro subscriber of this product, so I am having these from their site. You should click my music. It will load your device. Click back. In the effects option, most of the time we need some sort of effects. These are some sort of effects. For example, let's click game. Now these options work with network like this. When your network is enabled, you can download and use these in your project. Click OK. The third option which we can use is stickers in your video. Click stickers. There are a lot of stickers you can download and use. For example, using this. Let me use this share one. You can use this in your video and click OK. You can place this at your desired place wherever you need it. For example, and this is the time duration for this sticker. Click this area and click video end. Now this sticker will be here for till the end of the video. Click OK. The next option you can use with this video editor is text. You can write very beautiful text in your projects like this. Now click this. From here you can change the font style. Choose your favorite font like this. Click this color for adjusting the colors. Okay, this one is okay. Now click this one for the size and make the size according to your wish. And this one puts a space between the characters. Adjust it according to your wish. And this one is not working here. In some other fonts, it will make it bottom to down. Click OK. Now if you want to take this to the end, just drag it. Okay, for example, this is the end of your video, so it will be here. Click OK. The one of the very important option in this application is filters. Click filters. Now here there are a lot of filters. You should choose according to your wish. And there's another option that is adjust. Now you should click filters. And there are a lot of filters you can choose for your video. Now see, let's see. As I said earlier in this video that I am a pro member for this application, so I have these all options with me. Now you can see the color is looking sort of better. Now this is professional video editing with this application. Click OK. So thank you guys. I think the video is getting longer for watching this video. I'll record the second part of the video also and upload on my channel.